Hello class. So here we have a beautiful Palo Verde. This is the Mexican Palo Verde, a Parkinsonia aculeata. And called a Palo Verde because in Spanish green tree, because the bark is green, and basically what happens is this bark is photosynthetic. So in a drought or in the cold, this tree will lose its leaves and the bark will take over. Also, I want to mention, look at the size of the leaves. They're a lot bigger than our native Palo Verde leaf. Our native, let me get it in the sun. The native Palo Verdes here, which are circidiums, don't have nearly as big leaves as this. So again, this is Parkinsonia aculeata. This is native to Mexico, Arizona. It's naturalized in California. You could find it growing almost native, almost wild in our desert areas, but it is not native. Great tree. Again, it gets about 15 to 25 feet high and wide. It is deciduous. Perfect tree for a desert landscaping. In the spring, this tree is covered in bright yellow and orange flowers. So it's a good plant to bring the bees. It's also a legume. So the leaves and any flower buds or any detritus from this plant is fertilizer, full of nitrogen. This plant, oops, my hand was in the way. This plant, being a legume, brings back fertilizer into the soil. Good plant for landscaping. Like I said, this one's right here in front of the registration building here on campus. Very drought tolerant, so it can take only about once a month watering, if that. And again, it has to grow in full sun. And it's hardy to about 15 degrees. It might get damaged at that temperature. But really nice plant, useful to provide light shade in a drought tolerant environment. This is Parkinsonia aculeata, and this is our Palo Verde.